Digital storefronts lose momentum when they lack a central theme. This collapse represents the experience of a follower who expects a specific recommendation, but finds a disorganized list of random noise instead. The 2026 Creator Commerce Report indicates that while social commerce is surging toward a $100 billion market, shoppers exit a page the moment they lose the connection between a creator's content and the products being shown. Constructing a hyper-focused mini-store addresses this by allowing the storefront to serve as a direct functional extension of the niche you have already built. Over the next 6 minutes, we will organize a structured 10 to 15 item Zokera storefront designed to capture the specific audience intent. Refining a broad set of links into a curated collection provides the shortest path to translating passive audience trust into measurable revenue. Broad category labels lack the specificity required to drive targeted sales. Success requires a specific topic combined with a specific audience. Watch the variable shift to show budget skincare and Indian skin, automatically narrowing your inventory into a specialized product matrix. You can extract these signals from 3 distinct data sources: your direct messages, the specific questions in your comment sections, and the saves metric inside your Instagram insights. You can also deploy a poll on your stories to have your audience explicitly state which product categories they are currently looking to purchase. Utilizing raw audience data ensures that every product added to the storefront meets a pre-existing demand. Effective curation follows a non-negotiable rule. Every product you select must connect directly back to a piece of content you have already produced. To identify these items, use the last 10 posts method by auditing your own recent content grid. Identify the physical products that were naturally used in your videos and extract 10 to 15 of them to serve as your starting inventory. Avoid abandoning this list to pursue unrelated products simply because they offer higher commission rates. Limiting your inventory to items you have actually used on camera ensures your recommendations carry the exact same trust as your original content. Presenting 15 items in a single, overwhelming vertical list creates unnecessary friction for the shopper. Instead of a single list, build subcategories in Zokera to keep products in logical groups. This logic flowchart illustrates how a buyer bypasses the main list, finds a specific category, and completes checkout effortlessly, directly correlating to higher conversion rates. Next, utilize the Zokera cashback feature, which provides your followers with a direct financial return on every purchase they make. Highlighting this cashback provides a clear economic reason for a follower to use your link, adding a tangible layer of savings to your recommendation. Mention this cashback benefit consistently in your bio descriptions, your video captions, and story promotions. Combining a frictionless shopping architecture with a hard financial incentive creates a shopping environment that traditional affiliate links cannot replicate. A common post-launch error is treating the storefront as a static project and allowing the curation to become stagnant. Set a recurring calendar alarm to execute a mandatory storefront refresh every 30 days. This cyclical flowchart outlines the 3 required actions for your monthly audit: purging products with 0 clicks, swapping seasonal goods, and injecting trending items relevant to your niche. Each update provides a natural opportunity to create fresh promotional content and remind your audience about the latest additions to your collection. A successful storefront functions as a living ecosystem that requires continuous pruning to signal active curation to your followers. As this sleek storefront pushes aside the disorganized background, you have moved from a chaotic bio link to a highly optimized Zokera mini store. Your next step is to use the internal Zokera dashboard to monitor exactly which items are generating the most interest. Use those analytics to rotate the specific products and categories you feature in your daily tests, refining your strategy based on what drives the highest traffic. By pairing deep niche curation with consistent data optimization, you have built an automated engine designed to convert social influence into lasting commerce.